Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying the TV's network capability and why it matters. Wi-Fi is flexible, Ethernet is more stable. Once ready, power on the TV and the router. Make sure both are within range. On the TV, open the Network or Settings app, choose Wired or Wireless. Enter SSID and password exactly, because small typos block access. If prompted, choose DHCP for automatic addressing, unless you need a static IP for port forwarding or streaming quality control. Once connected to the SSID or Ethernet, you should verify connection details. This gives insight into speed and latency. Navigate to Advanced Network Settings to view IP, Gateway, and DNS. Change DNS manually to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8. 8. 8 if streaming is slow, because alternative DNS can resolve servers faster. If you plan to cast or use a remote app, assign a static IP on the TV or reserve it on the router so devices reliably find it. Save settings and run the built-in network test. You finish by validating the connection. Open a streaming app and play 1080p or 4K content to ensure stability and buffer behavior. If playback stutters, restart the TV and router. Power cycling clears transient faults. Make sure firmware on both devices is up to date, because updates fix bugs and compatibility. If problems persist, test with Ethernet to rule out Wi-Fi, check router logs for blocked access, and finally reset network settings as a last resort. This often resolves lingering configuration errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.